In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense categories in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wondered how to keep your spending organized so reports make sense and bookkeeping is easier, creating the right categories is the place to start. We'll walk through the exact clicks, and I'll add helpful context so you know why each choice matters. Begin by heading to the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This opens your company's settings and lists where your accounting tools live. From there, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as your master list of buckets for tracking money in and out. Once you're on that page, look to the top right and click New Account. This is how you create a new expense category. QuickBooks will open a form with a few fields. Start by naming the account. Choose a clear, practical name you'll recognize later, like office supplies, software subscriptions, or travel. Consistent, specific names make reports easier to read and help anyone on your team choose the right category. Next, select the account type. Since we're creating an expense category, you'll typically choose expense. If the spending is directly tied to producing what you sell, you might instead pick a related type, but for most everyday costs, expense is the right fit. This tells QuickBooks where the activity will appear on your profit and loss report. After that, select the detail type. This is a more specific label that helps QuickBooks classify the account within the broader type. Look for a detail type that closely matches your spending, such as office/general administrative expenses, dues and subscriptions, or travel. Don't stress if it's not a perfect match. It won't change your totals, but choosing something close provides better structure and can improve reporting clarity. You can also add a description if you want. This is a great place to note when to use this category or examples of transactions that belong here. Short guidance now prevents mistakes later. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. You've created a new expense category. From now on, you can use this account as a category when entering expenses, bills, checks, or credit card charges. You'll see it in the category drop-downs, making it easy to track that spending consistently. If you ever realize the name could be clearer, you can come back to the chart of accounts and edit the account so your reports stay tidy and useful. Keeping your categories organized from the start saves time and reduces errors. That's all. Now you're ready to categorize expenses with confidence.